Hey guys, I'm back and we're going to be playing our friendly against Valencia. They're a pretty good side. I'm only going to be showing the first half of this episode. I'll post the other one next episode. Got ourselves a pretty young squad here. Hoping to see how this pans out. If Frimpong's form was good, I think I'll put him in the first team maybe.
And this is the Emirates Stadium.
Emirates.
This big new addition to the team. I wonder how he will fit in and how the other players will allow him to fit in.
Well, did definitely allow him to fit in. Okay, they stop ball. You get the ball. Pass it around nicely. Oh, accidentally get the ball away. Maybe you have to play on the counter instead of possession, which is what the football that Arsenal play. Oops, just gave away a corner. Now they have it. Diego Costa crosses it in. Javinho with the pace. Go past all the defenders. Maybe it's time to sweat something across. Javinho on the ball, sweats it across. Oh, I just hit the post. Go for Josep Ilicic. Finally a breakthrough after hitting the post. Nice play. Though it was a bit sweaty. Yeah, character he is. Pops up at the right moment. Chamberlain. To Wilshere. Back to Joseph. Is it a Wilshere with a shot? Pretty weak from Wilshere. By his standards, he probably shouldn't be doing that. Dani Parejo. By his standards. Well, this Spanish teams like to keep possession. It's going to be hard getting the ball off them. Oh, so got too soon. Just got the ball off them. Quite easily. Actually Chamberlain. Bakary Sagna, nice run. From right back. Theo Walcott providing the cross.
Good work from the goalkeeper.
Poor cross.
Aggressive play to
not too good.
Take command.
Yep. Let's just see how this works out. Back. No, they're keeping possession so much. Can't really get my passing game started. I'm just dominated by this wonderful passing that they're playing right now. Oops, just got beaten. Okay, good challenge. That's quite good. Walcott's got the pace. Not the perfect pass though. That was a bit lacking.
Pablo Hernandez.
Hernandez got the ball. No, he got the ball back. Mikel. Fine, they'll just play counter-attack for this round. This match, I'm going to just be playing counter-attacking. Oh, just gave away a dangerous area. Now they might have a chance. Poor play. Clear it. Poor clearance.
Keeps it going well. Well, the two of them just keeping the ball between them. Passing here.
Tackle. Good block. Good block. That was awesome. That was a great block. Kieran Gibbs, not the height.
They've nicked it back. Chances here.
Oh no. Oh, just keep on giving the ball away.
Great chance.
Good chance.
That could have been a penalty.
That could have been a penalty, but it wasn't.
The goal is there for the free kick.
He misses the open goal. What luck for me. I love to keep a clean sheet. Clean sheet's probably as good as a win.
Jack Wilshere.
Back to Ronaldo. Oh, why is he injured now?
That passing is top class.
Passing is top class. Just like Arsenal in real life, pretty football. Just like, great tackle. Must give credit.
It's going to be a throw here.
Wilshere. Give away the ball too easily. Usually he's not afraid to take a knock.
He's definitely in the category of
too
goal
bad.
poaching.
Soldado on the ball. Soldado on the ball!
Desperation about
Sweated it across. Wow. Apparently Valencia player wasn't even able to connect. Not even touch.
Mertesacker,
Mertesacker.
Theo Walcott.
Theo Walcott
And he
back
gets
to
it back again
Franco.
quickly.
Research. Since he's a long shot taker, I'll probably try a speculative shot from here. What a save. This defense is quite tough to get past. Not with the passing game.
Now the opposition looking to counter-attack.
I'm not able to finish my chances. He gets a block off
Good
it.
play defensively. Here's the opening.
I keep on getting tackled. Oh, she blocked my shots.
Which he can expect to score. The odds against him.
Odds definitely were against me though.
Soldado.
Must admit that. Soldado. He's a pretty dangerous player, so I need to get the ball off him fast. GK rush. Hope he takes a speculative shot. And he misses the open goal. Not really open though, there was two players there. So I only have 40% possession.
It's with Mertesacker. Jack Wilshere.
Yeah, just gave away the ball too easily. Oh, got that block off. Oh no, give away ball in dangerous area, I need to tackle. I'm just defending for my life. I mean, Arsenal's passing is better there, more accuracy. I just gave the ball away.
What are they going to do with it? They can head on to the front foot.
Diego Costa. Probably have to park the bus now. Oh, good shot. Good save by Chesney. That was a good save. Oh, great stop. I'll give the ball away again. I have to defend. Probably gonna get more tackles than Valencia. Interception proved to be vital. Oh, there. The tackle. Oh, shot! And it's pretty speculative. He missed it.
Icebreaker, isn't it, for a team to score an early goal, and they got one here. And
Check the match facts.
look much warmer in their performance.
My
since then.
passing accuracy is a bit low. Shot accuracy higher. Only one more tackle. I'm totally defending for my life. I thought I would more tackles than that though. Well, that's it for this episode.